Let us discuss on forecast of IMD on Cyclone Jawad. Let us see IMD satellite pictures. For rainfall warning, IMD says on 2nd December light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy rainfall at isolated places, very likely over Andaman and Nicobar Islands. On 3rd December, light to moderate rainfall at many places with heavy rainfall at isolated places, very likely to commence over north coastal Andhra Pradesh and south coastal Odisha from evening. On 4th December, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to heavy rainfall at a few places and extremely heavy falls at isolated places, very likely over north coastal Andhra Pradesh and coastal Odisha. Heavy to heavy rainfall at isolated places over adjoining interior districts of Odisha and heavy rainfall at isolated places over Gangetic West Bengal. On 5th December, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to heavy rainfall at isolated places, likely over West Bengal and adjoining north coastal Odisha and heavy rainfall at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya and Tripura. For wind warning, IMD says equally wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km gusting to 65 km per hour likely to prevail over Andaman Sea today, that is on 1st December. It would further increase to wind speed reaching 50 to 60 km per hour gusting to 70 km per hour over southeastern adjoining east central Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Andaman Sea on 2nd December. Gale wind speed reaching 65 to 75 km per hour, gusting to 85 km per hour likely to prevail over central Bay of Bengal from the early morning of 3rd December and gradually increase becoming 90 to 100 km per hour, gusting to 110 km over northwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal from the morning of 4th December for the subsequent 24 hours. Squally, wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour, likely to commence along and up north Andhra Pradesh, Odisha coast from the midnight of 3rd December and increase gradually, becoming 70 to 80 km per hour, gusting to 90 km per hour from 4th morning for the subsequent 12 hours. Squally wind speed reaching 45 to 55 km per hour, gusting to 65 km per hour, also likely to commence along and off west Bengal coast from 4th December morning and become gale wind speed reaching 60 to 70 km per hour, gusting to 80 km per hour from the evening of 4th December for the subsequent 12 hours.